I'm really excited. We just got this baby Einstein in for our granddaughter. So let's go ahead and unbox it and try it out. Okay, so obviously it comes with the instructions of what to do, how to turn it on. I'm very excited about this. This is the little controller, and here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and put some batteries in, gives you a better idea of the size, and try it out. Okay, so you can see that it takes 4 C batteries. The back of the little controller takes AAA, so we're gonna go ahead and get some batteries and put in both. Let's try it out. So we have controls up on the top here. We're just gonna play with them, see what they do. Okay, so this mode here, this is the first one up here. It plays different music and has lights. When we go one mode over, it doesn't move, it just has music, different music. We go one mode over again on the top. This one is moving, lights, and ocean wave sounds. And then this last one here is no movement, just the white noise ocean wave sounds. And this one is for louder or quieter or off. I have it running right now. If I press this, it'll turn it off. So this seems to be controlled to turn it on or off.